Welcome to LawGPT, your powerful legal assistant. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful modules of LawGPT, called Statute Search, and take a detailed walkthrough of all its features. Let's get started. From the LawGPT homepage, you can directly access the Statute Search module by clicking on the Statute Search card. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the Statute Search page. As you can see, the interface is user-friendly and specifically designed to simplify your legal research. This is the Statute Search interface, which contains over 6,000 plus statutes stored in the system. Let's explore its main features. A search bar for performing queries and viewing desired results. A filters section where you can apply advanced, dynamic filters to refine your search results. Two distinct search categories: search by title and search by content. Now, let's understand each feature in detail with demonstrations. The first search option is search by title. To use this, select search by title and type any word or title in the search bar. For example, let's type international and press enter. The system retrieves all the statutes that contain the word international, displaying a total of 26 statutes. The search results also highlight the word wherever it appears within the statutes, making it easier for you to locate it. Let's try another example. Type Constitution in the search bar and press enter. This time, the system retrieves 86 statutes that contain the word Constitution. If you want to refine these results further, you can use the filters section. For instance, apply a letter filter by selecting B. The system dynamically filters and displays statutes starting with B, that also contain the word Constitution. Now if you want more refined results, you can also apply the year filter by typing 2010. Now, only the statutes from the year 2010 are displayed. To clear all applied filters, simply click on the Clear Filters button. In some cases, you may want to search for a statute by its exact title. Let's see how to do this. Clear all filters and type the exact title of a statute in the search bar. For example, type Gas Theft Control and Recovery Act 2016 and press enter. The system directly retrieves the statute with its exact title, saving you time and effort. Once you've found a statute, you may want to save it for future reference. This can be done easily using the bookmark feature. Click on the bookmark icon next to the statute. A pop-up will appear, giving you two options. You can bookmark the statute directly by clicking on Add button. Or create a new bookmark group. Let's create a new group. For example, name the group Theft Control. You can also add a note for easy reference, in this case we add such as gas theft. Now click Add to save it. The statute is now bookmarked and can be accessed later from the bookmark module under the group you created named Theft Control. Now let's explore the Sections feature. Click on the Section drop-down to view a complete list of all sections in the statute. You can expand any section by clicking the plus button to view its content directly on the page. If you want to bookmark a specific section, you can do so by clicking on the bookmark icon next to it. Add a name and note, then click Add to save it for future reference. If you want to view the entire statute and all its sections in one place, you can use the Read feature. Click on Read, and the entire statute will open on a single page, where you can view the full content each and everything of the statute by scrolling down. And there is a table of contents on the left side, listing all sections in the statute. Clicking on any section in the table of contents will take you directly to that section's content. On the right-hand side of the interface, you'll find the AI chatbot feature, labeled as Find Statute Insights. This feature allows you to ask questions related to the statute you're currently viewing, and it generates AI-based responses. However, please note that the chatbot's responses are AI-generated and may not always be fully accurate. For critical information, we recommend cross-checking the details. From here we can ask any question related to the statute. For example, ask, "What is the total number of sections in this statute?" The chatbot will provide the answer instantly. As you can also tally from here. Let's try another query. What is stated in the reward section? Again, the chatbot quickly retrieves the relevant information. You can also search for specific words within a statute to see how many times and where they are used. Simply type the word in the search bar while in the read view. For instance, type "distribution pipeline" in the search bar. The system highlights all instances of this phrase within the statute, making it easier for you to locate relevant content. Finally, let's discuss the search by content feature. This option allows you to search for statutes based on the content rather than the title. For example, type "properties" in the search bar and press enter. The system retrieves all statutes that contain the word "properties" in their content. You can scroll through the list and click on any statute to view its details. Here too, you can access all the features we've discussed earlier, such as sections, read, bookmarks, and filters, to enhance your experience. Conclusion. From title-based searches and advanced filtering to AI-powered insights and content-based queries, the Statute Search module is designed to simplify and enhance your legal research experience. Thank you for joining this detailed walkthrough of the Statute Search module. Stay tuned for more tutorials on LawGPT, your ultimate legal assistant.